Assalamualaikum. My name is Nur Ashikin binti Suhaniza. My matric number is E21A0643. I would like to talk about background of the company, which is we choose for the Netflix. Netflix was created in 1997 in Scott Valley, California, by Mark Randall and Reed Hastings. The two had previously worked together at a company called Pure Software. Randolph was co-founder of Micro Warehouse, a computer mail-order company, and later worked as vice president of marketing at Borland International. Hastings founded Pure Software, which he had recently sold for $700 million, and he invested $2.5 million in Netflix for startup cash. Hastings thought of the idea for Netflix when he forgot to return a movie by its due date and ended up having to pay $40 in late fees. The website launched on April 14, 1999 with a more traditional pay-per rental method. Netflix introduced the monthly subscription method in September 1999. Since then, Netflix has built its reputation for flat fee unlimited rental with the complication. Netflix had stated that at Netflix, we want to entertain the world, wherever your taste and no matter where you live. We give you access to best-in-class TV series, documentaries, feature films, and mobile games. Our members control what they want to watch when they want it, with no ads and one simple subscription. We are streaming in more than 30 languages and 190 countries because great stories can come from anywhere and be loved everywhere. We are the world's biggest fans of entertainment, and we are always looking to help you find your next favorite story.
With the help of big data analytics, Netflix knows what users want and what users would like to watch next. Knowing and understanding the preferences of the users have proven to be the two pillars of success for Netflix. With the help of which they understood and the viewing habits of viewers, which help the prediction system that is powered by the algorithm designed by the developers. Right from the prediction of the type of content to recommending the content for the users, Netflix does it all through big data analytics. Netflix started collecting data from the time they were distributing the DVDs, which later, when they started their streaming service in 2007, shaped into something more. It took them 6 years to gather proper data to analyze, find the result-driven data from it, and use it. This big data analytics led the launch of their first show. Netflix also used staging features that allow consumers to suggest as well recommend different movie and series they think a user will enjoy. These features encourages more views, clicks, and raises engagements. This magic formula took 6 years of Netflix, which has paid off really well as it has become the number one streaming app today.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I am Rashada binti Junaidi with number metric E1A05CX. I will continue our presentation about why Netflix adapts data. Next, have a personal recommendation engine. The data that Netflix collects on its user is huge. Therefore, the use of big data allows Netflix to see the day, time, location, and device. Platform shows whether the content has been paused, replay, rewatch, or fast forward. Content abandonment time and rate browsing and scrolling behavior. Last but not least, the availability of content development analytics. For Netflix, this just doesn't seem risky or jury in the slide test. While Netflix maintains that human, not machine, are the unlimited decision maker, it used a projection model to help ensure the commission or renew project fits within certain perimeter. In other words, it looked at how similar program has been done in the past.
My name is Siti Zulaika binti Uthman. My matric number is E21A0676. Today, I want to talk about how big data help the company. Big data help the Netflix to continually monitor and make adjustments to Netflix quality of experience. They optimize its streaming service by reducing lag when streaming content by utilizing ISPs and other hosts around the globe. The company tracked data points such as rebuffer rate, delay due to buffering, and bitrate impact the picture quality, which if an acceptable level will affect the user experience. Next, Big Data help Netflix optimize operations. Netflix use Analitik to optimize everything from the user experience on the apps to on-ground logistics for filming. For example, they have developed an algorithm to predict the projected cost of filming in one location versus another. They also use Analitik to improve the efficiency of filming and post-production activities such as editing by reducing congestion and streamlining workflow.
Netflix uses data processing software and traditional business intelligence tools such as Hadoop and Teradata, as well as its own open source solutions such as Lipsticks and Genie, to gather, store, and process massive amounts of information. These platforms influence its decisions on what content to create and promote. Netflix doesn't use a traditional data center-based Hadoop data warehouse. In order to allow it to store and process a rapidly increasing dataset, it uses Amazon's S3 to warehouse its data, allowing it to spin up multiple Hadoop clusters for different workloads accessing the same data. It then created its own Genie project to help handle increasingly massive data volumes as it scales. Netflix is very particular about having a lot of data and being able to process this data to ensure it understands exactly what its users want.